Hello students, today I am going to talk about the micromineral iodine. Distribution of iodine. Total body content of iodine is 25 to 30 milligram. One third of iodine is present in thyroid gland, which is approximately 12 milligram. 99.8% of thyroidal iodine is bound to thyroglobulin of colloid. Plasma contains 5 to 8 microgram per deciliter of iodine bound to plasma protein, known as protein bound iodine or PBI, and 0.3 microgram per deciliter as inorganic iodide. Sources of iodine are drinking water, iodized table salt, marine fish, onion, iodine enriched bread. In most parts of the world, iodine is a scarce component of the soil. Upper regions of mountains generally contain less iodine. Such areas are called goitrous belt. For example, sub-Himalayan region. Requirement of iodine. Adults need 100 to 140 microgram per day. Pregnant and lactating women need 125 to 150 microgram per day. Infants need 40 microgram per day. Older children need 60 to 100 microgram per day. Absorption of iodine. Iodine is mainly absorbed from the small intestine. It may also be absorbed through skin. Toxic manifestations may result from prolonged use of iodine-containing skin ointments. There are some inhibitors of iodine absorption. Ingredients in foodstuffs which prevent utilization of iodine are called goitrogens. Cabbage, tapioca, cassava, mustard oil contain thiocyanate, which inhibit the thyroidal iodine uptake. Mustard seeds, turnip, kohlrabi contain thiourea or thiocarbamide, which inhibits the iodination of tyrosine residues of thyroglobulin. Excretion of iodine. Excretion of iodine is mainly through urine. Minimal amounts are also excreted through bile and saliva. Functions of iodine. Formation of thyroid hormones, thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Inorganic iodides are actively collected from plasma into thyroid cells by an ATPase-dependent iodide pump. The conversion of T4 to T3 is by selenium-containing deiodinase enzyme, so iodine and selenium metabolisms are interrelated. The biosynthesis of these two hormones, T3 and T4, occurs through iodination, rearrangement, and subsequent hydrolysis of tyrosine residues in the thyroglobulin protein. This is the picture showing the size of the normal thyroid and the size of the thyroid in goiter. Iodine deficiency disorder. Iodine deficiency goiter, which causes thyroid enlargement and hypothyroidism, are produced by dietary iodine deficiency and high intake of goitrogens. Such goiters are endemic in mountain areas with low soil iodine, for example, sub-Himalayan belt. Iodine deficiency causes cretinism or congenital iodine deficiency syndrome, with failures of physical and mental growth in infants and children. Iodine deficiency also causes myxedema or severe hypothyroidism, with low metabolic rate and physical and mental sluggishness in adults. In myxedema, there occurs non-pitting edema. This is the picture showing patients having goiter. Iodine deficiency disorders are endemic in sub-Himalayan belt in North India, affecting nearly 120 million people. Recently, iodine deficiency disorder is also seen in India in tribal belts of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, and Karnataka, bringing the total affected population to 170 million. Endemic goiter control. So, goiter can be prevented by consuming iodized salt or oil. Iodized salt is now most widely used as prophylactic measure against endemic goiter. Iodine, thank you.